I'm Alyssa. I love dancing and it's my natural high. Dancing to me is basically everything. That's one of the things that keeps me going. Dancing builds up your body and nourishes your soul, and drugs and alcohol just do the opposite of that. I feel like I owe it to myself to just be good to my body, and I don't want to harm myself in any way. It's really helped me, not only physically, obviously, to be aware of myself and the way I move and how I affect others with that, but also I think it's just given me a better outlook on life in general and taught me how to love myself, which is really important, and how to appreciate other people. Dancing gives me something to do and something to look forward to and a way to get through the day. And if I were to do drugs, it would prevent me from dancing, and I don't ever want to not dance. It's a way to express myself and anything I want to say without actually having to say it. All my friends that I've made through dance, I've become really close with, and they're really supportive people, and the environment that I dance in is very supportive, and I know if I have any problems I can talk to those people and talk to my teachers. Dance has definitely made me appreciate every moment. One of the things that's really stuck with me is that you never know when your last opportunity to do what you love is going to happen. So it's really important to push yourself every day, even in the little things, and try and make every day important in some way. The main thing to remember is there are people who love you and support you, and finding your passion is an all-around better alternative to doing drugs and alcohol.